Struggling to connect an amplifier or equalizer to your car's audio system because it lacks the right outputs? The Pyramid High-Low-Level Impedance Adapter offers a straightforward fix by converting high-level speaker outputs into RCA line-level signals. This means you can finally expand your sound system without replacing your head unit or rewiring your entire setup. I've spent hours wrestling with subwoofer hum and inconsistent levels in my home audio setup, and this adapter was the game changer. Despite its simple build, thin wires and compact design, it delivered clean, distortion-free sound. I actually used 2 units for my mono-block amplifiers, but if you're working with a stereo amp, just one adapter will do the trick. It's a universal fit, so whether you drive a domestic or foreign car, or even want to integrate it into your home theater, this device adapts effortlessly. What stands out is the adjustable level control, giving you precise command over the output without sacrificing audio quality. Installation is hassle-free. Just connect your stereo speaker wires to the adapter's inputs, then run RCA cables from the adapter to your amplifier. No complicated tools or professional help needed. Plus, Pyramid backs this product with a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked, so you can try it risk-free. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's sound system with clean, reliable RCA outputs, the Pyramid High-Low-Level Impedance Adapter is worth a look. It solves compatibility issues, improves sound clarity, and keeps installation simple. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a better audio experience without the headache.